Welcome to KrispCall. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps of getting a virtual phone number for Lithuania using KrispCall. Getting a Lithuanian number through KrispCall ensures smooth connectivity with both mobile and local users. To buy a Lithuanian number using KrispCall, visit KrispCall.com and log into your existing account or sign up for a new account. Access My Number by clicking the plus icon or navigating to Settings. Select Purchase New Number. Select Lithuania from the drop-down menu. Personalize your desired number type and proceed to Buy Number. Assign a name to your selected number and add it to your cart. Please note that you need to provide information and documents to purchase a Lithuanian local number and mobile number. Verify your purchase by clicking Confirm Purchase. Upon activation of your Lithuanian phone number, you'll have the capability to place voice calls and send SMS messages, depending on the specific type of number you've purchased. Get 100+ international virtual phone numbers from KrispCall and connect with your global audiences remotely from a single app. With KrispCall, you can get advanced features like unified call box, global calling, text messages, voicemail, multi-level IVR, call analytics. Reach out to our chat support for more information.